Better education for the better world. Ornoday English Boarding School. Kankai 9, Ghaledba, Jhapa, Nepal.
Namaskar everyone, how are you all? So, today in your class we are about to discuss something about force. Force is something that pushes or pulls a body to change its state of rest or motion. In example, you can take, if you apply a force on a ball which is kept on the ground. So if you apply force with the help of your foot, it comes in motion, and you have to stop it at that time also you have to apply some amount of force. So next example is car. If you have to start a car, the car engine will apply force on the car, due to which it starts moving. But if you have to stop a car, then the car engine will apply force on the brakes of the car, due to which it stops. So effects of force. Force is a physical change that causes a body to change its state of rest or motion. So example, if you are throwing a stone at that time, it moves because of the force which you have applied. Next example is force changes the state of motion. If you are pushing a swing in which your friends sitting, if you push it at that time also the swing comes in motion and it changes the state. It is any influence that causes a body change the speed of a body. Like if you are riding a bicycle, because the force which you applied on the pedal, it changes the speed of a body. Another example is pushing a swing. That is also one kind of example. It changes the direction. Example is a nurse handling a patient on wheelchair. The changes the shape of a body. So in that we can take making a roti or chapati. So at the time also shape of the body with the help of force it changes. There is a cup. If I apply large amount of force on this cup, then it will get crushed into small pieces. Yes. So that means because the force applied, this cup which is in a specific shape, its shape changes or get crushed into small pieces. It is a vector quantity. Why it is vector quantity? That is because force it shows both the magnitude and direction. So before starting or before explaining you about force is vector quantity, let's go to scalar, because some of you may not know what is scalar and vector quantity. So scalar quantity are those quantity which shows only magnitude. Like I am 50 kg. That means 50 kg is magnitude, but it does not show any direction. That means you cannot say I am 50 kg in right side of my body or I am 50 kg in left side of my body. But vector quantity, that means I am lifting this cup with my hand. That means I am lifting it with 1 Newton force. 1 Newton force, it became magnitude. In upward direction, you can see I am lifting it in up direction. That means it is showing direction also. If the quantity shows both the magnitude and direction, they are vector quantity. So as over here I am lifting cup with 1 Newton force. 1 Newton force is magnitude, and in upward direction you can see the direction also. So as it is showing both the magnitude and direction, it is a vector quantity. Some of the homeworks you can do, like what is force, what are the effects of force, whether it is scalar quantity or vector quantity. That questions you can say. Thank you for your time and attention.